Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Okay, so this is the conversation between the divine masculine and the divine feminine on the 5D level, okay, or in the 3D level. But in 3D they are not in contact with each other. Okay, so this is the conversation between the 5D level. What does divine masculine and the divine feminine wants to say to each other on 5D level here? Okay, so let's see what are the messages. I hope it resonates with you. If it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, because this is the general energy which I'm going to pick it up, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take according to your situation. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages. What does the divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine first, then I'm going to take the conversations, the messages from the divine feminines. Okay, what does divine masculine wants to say? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the messages from the divine masculine and to the divine feminine. What does divine masculine wants to say? The conversation. Wow. So you inspire me to become the best version of myself. That's what divine masculine wants to say, that you have inspired me to become the best version of myself. Okay, you are always there when I need you. Okay, you are always there when I need you. Then there is, I have known you in often lifetime. So they have known you in many often lifetime. This was the same message which I was getting for you from your messages from the divine masculine. So you can have a look on that video too. Then there is, I want this union just as much as you do. Would you accept me? So they want to tell you that they want this union as much as you do, divine feminines, but would you accept them if they approach you? So that's beautiful. Now let's see 5 more messages. There is no one else who has touched my soul. Okay, let's see. What does divine masculine wants to say? Please tell me, what does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say? Bottom of the deck I'm having, please don't be scared, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, I need more time. I need more time. So there are there are two groups here. Basically there are two set of groups here. One is the one who are still in runner chaser forms, and the second one who has already surrendered yet. So they need more time, and they're telling you that don't be scared, they're not going anywhere here, divine feminines. Okay, something keeps pulling me back towards you. So that's the message here. They don't know what keeps pulling me back, but something keeps pulling me back towards you. Okay, let's see more messages from the divine masculine. We will be reunited. Can you see? I want this union as much as you do. We will be reunited. That's beautiful. I miss you. So that's beautiful, but I'm not going to take it. Okay. What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? So their root chakra and the solar plexus chakra is getting activated or blocked. 1 minute. So for these, I need more time. For these kind of these set of divine masculines, they need more time because their root chakra is blocked. Okay, that's why they don't know what to do, and they need more time to figure things out. And literally I was feeling sweat. And there is solar plexus chakra which is getting activated here. Okay, so the next messages are, we are one twin flames. I know this, one soul into two bodies. I have known you in often lifetimes. That's beautiful message. Okay, they know you in many often lifetimes. They know that you are the twin flame. 0555 was the recording reading time. They know that you are the twin flames. Okay, they know that you are one soul into two bodies. They want to dance with you, dance with me. That's weird message, but okay, they want to dance with you. Okay, can you forgive me? I know I have treated you wrong. Would you accept me? That's the same message. Okay, I have treated you wrong. Can you forgive me? Would you accept me? Here, divine feminines. Then there is, it's not the right time. I need more time. It's not the right time. I need more time. Okay, I hide who I truly I am because I'm afraid of getting hurt. Okay, so they hide because they think that you will not accept the true divine masculine. Okay, the true face of divine masculine. That's why they hide, because they are feeling afraid that they will get hurt. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here. Now let's see what does divine feminine wants to say. These are the messages from the divine masculines. You can be yourself with me. That's beautiful reply. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can be yourself with me. That's the beautiful reply from the divine feminines. Okay, they saying that I hide who I truly I am, because I am afraid of getting hurt. The divine masculine, the divine feminine is saying you can be yourself with me. That's beautiful. Okay, let's see more messages. What does divine feminine wants to say? What does divine feminine wants to say? What does divine feminine wants to say for this reading? Please give me what are the things divine feminine. What does divine feminine wants to say? Okay, so they want to say you that your picture brings me tears. Whenever divine feminine sees the picture of divine masculine, they got the tears here. There is block heart chakra. I feel disconnected from myself, emotionally numb. So divine feminines, you have to heal your heart chakra. You have to open up your heart chakra. They're feeling disconnected. Okay, they're feeling emotionally disconnected and numb because your heart chakra is blocked. That's why they're telling you. And can you see here? I can see the number 69 here. Okay, so maybe that's very important message. Maybe you see your divine masculine pictures and you cry a lot. Okay, and it's okay to not, it's okay not to be okay. Okay. So divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine that it's okay to not to be okay. I hide who I truly I am. So they are saying it's okay to not to be okay. It's okay not to be okay. So that's beautiful. Okay, let me see more messages from the divine feminine. What does divine feminine wants to say? Please give me the messages. What does Divine Feminine wants to say? What does Divine Feminine wants to say? Again, the same messages here. I am exactly where I need to be. I am safe, loved, and protected. Okay, that's what Divine Feminine wants to say, that I'm exactly where I need to be. And that's right, this is a divinely guided journey, and you are exactly where you are, where you have to be. You are safe, you are loved, and you are protected. I did not know who I really was before meeting to you. You have triggered my spiritual awakening. And that's right, in twin flame journey, the spiritual awakening, in most of the case, the spiritual awakening is happened by their twins. Okay, so yes, the Divine Feminine wants to say you that you triggered my spiritual awakening. I did not even know about my own self. Because of you, I know about myself. I forgive you, and I hope you can forgive me too. So yes, Divine Masculine wants to know that, can you forgive me? I know that I have treated you wrong. Divine Feminine wants to say that I forgive you and I forgive myself. Can you forgive me too? So both are asking the same things on the 5D level. That's beautiful. So these are the messages which I'm getting here for you. This was that conversation between the Divine Masculine and the Divine Feminine, basically, and that is very beautiful message, because many of the messages are exactly the answer of one another, basically. Okay, so that's beautiful conversation. Now let me add some message from the angels. What is the message from the angels for this reading? What is the message from the angels? One message. Lack of communication. Angels wants you to be mindful and work on your communication skills, as you are misunderstood. So Divine Feminines or the Divine Masculine, whoever is watching this video, angels wants you to work on your communication skills, because of your communication skills you have been misunderstood by the other person here. So communicate clearly. Then there is shielding and protection. There is lot of jealousy and evil eye on you. Pray to Archangel Michael for shielding and protection. So pray to Archangel Michael that he will protect you from the evil eye, and because you need protection here. Shielding and protection. Then there is love is in the air. Angels of love and romance see a lot of love energies in your aura and indicate chances of a new relationship, new love relationship, marriage, or an engagement. So right now, that's beautiful. Keep increasing your love energy in your aura so that you can get that energy back in your life. So that's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add more message from the angels. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I love when I get the beautiful messages. Literally. It's like sometimes I think like the universe is trying to communicate with me directly. They're sitting inside of me, or they're sitting in front of me, and they're telling me the messages. There is a guardian angel who is with you, who is there with you to protect you, to guide you. Okay, so there is a guardian angel which is surrounding around you, and literally my left ear is right now getting warm. Okay, there is a guardian angel who is there with you. Okay, there is a harmony and resolution which is coming, and there is earth and ground. Spend some time in nature, ground your energy, as the downloads and upgradations are going on in twin flame journey. So you need to upgrade, you need to ground your energy by spending some time in nature. Okay, so ground and earth your energy. Spend some time in yoga, meditation, do meditation, ground your energy. That's very important. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what are the messages from the angels answers. What is the message for this reading? What is the message? Please give me the message. There are too many messages. Wait. Okay. Okay, ask for help from others. There is a peaceful resolution which is coming for you. If you require any help, you can ask help for others. And there is improving health, so your health is improving here. There is wait and there is no, complete no. So right now you have to wait here. Okay, and there is complete no, so there is a particular yes or no. If you're finding out yes and no, so there is complete no for that. Okay, so these are the messages from the angels. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. Let me see what are the messages from the angel and ancestors. Okay, what are the messages for this reading? Please give me the messages. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages? What are the messages for this reading? Take charge with authority. Okay, take the control of your life in your own hands. The Lord, the Emperor. Okay, take the charge of your own life here. That's the message I'm having here. The first message is shaman, trust in higher forces. See, this was the same thing which I was getting. I was telling you that you need to trust in the higher forces. You are not alone. There is a guardian angel with you. Okay, there is universe with you who is guiding you in every single step. Okay, use your intuitions. Your intuitions are right now very much high here. So shaman is the first message which I am getting here. Then there is autumn, release the old and rest. Release anything which you need to release as soon as possible. Okay, which don't serve your highest good. And there is oracle, wait for an important information which is coming for you. That's very important. So these are the messages for you, and I hope it resonates with you. Thank you for them giving the messages. See again the message. There is an important message which is coming for you. Now let's see one or two message for this reading from this deck. What is the message for this reading? What is the message here? Too many messages. Okay, so maybe some of you are still having a fear here, imprisonment. You are still trapped in your own fear box. Get out of the fear box. That's the message I'm getting. You have to get out of from the fear box. You are being trapped in your own fear box, so you have to get out of from that fear box. There is I honor. See, Six of Wands energy, success, recognition, victory is coming for you. There is a pathway which is uplifted for you. So that's beautiful. Okay, the ascension is happening for you. The pathway is uplifted for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what is the life purpose for you in this reading. What is the life purpose for this reading? Please give me the life purpose for this reading. Some of you can be a speaker. Okay, that can be a life purpose. Let me see. What is the life purpose for this reading? What is the life purpose? Protected. Okay, so you are safe and supported while you change your career. If you're thinking to change your career, you are protected by the divine, by the angels here. Then there is leadership. Take charge of this situation. You have leadership qualities here. Then there is trust your feelings and dreams to guide your career path. Maybe some of you are trying to change your career, so trust that you are protected, because you are protected. You are protected. and you can change your career path. Then there is justice. Your career bring fairness and protection to others who need your help. Okay, because you give the justice. So that's beautiful. Then there is light and love. Your purpose is to bring divine healing, light and love to this world, and that's beautiful life purpose here. Okay, your life purpose is to bring divine healing, light and love to this world. Then there is study. Reading, research and education help you gain confidence and clarity about your career. So study as much as you can, and that will help you out in your career. And there is family. Loving your friends and family is a central of your life purpose. Okay, so family plays an important role in your life purpose. So these are the life purpose, and these are beautiful life purpose, I can say that. Okay, let me see one message from the power of love. What is the message for this reading? One message. Please give me one message. Creativity. You love to devise new ideas, innovation and forms of illumination. So work on your creativity, use your creativity. You are full of creative ideas and the things inside of you. Use your creativity. That's the message I'm getting here. Let me add some message from the true love reading cards. What is the message for this reading? What is the message? One minute. Okay, so some of you are dealing with soulmates maybe here. Some of you are dealing with the soulmates reunion is going to happen. With the person you are dealing with can be your soulmate here. There is self-respect and the gardener. So you have to take care of your own soul first, okay? And self-respect is very much important for you, okay? That is the self-love. So do love yourself first. Then there is chivalry. So someone is coming in your life with lot of love, okay, loyalty and the trust, who loves to respect women. That is the chivalry here. And there is distorted masculine here again. So divine masculine, there are some divine masculines who are not exactly divine masculines till now. They are the distorted masculines, and they are required some more healing and the steps to become the divine masculines. Okay, so yes, there is a distorted masculines here. Then there is intimacy. If you are in a union with your twin flame, so you can have some, you can balance the physical flow of love. So that are the messages which I am getting here from this deck. Thank you for the messages. Let's see what is the message from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for this reading? Reassess. What are the messages? Make a plan, accept disappointments gracefully, count your blessings, rejuvenate yourself and face your shadow. So you have to make a plan, reassess and make a plan, okay? Then there is accept disappointments gracefully. There is count your blessings. You need to count your blessings and always have an attitude of gratitude. Say thank you divine, thank you universe at least once in 24 hours, okay? Then there is rejuvenate. There is face your shadow. So that was the message here. Let me see what are the messages from the tarot for this reading. What is the message for this reading? Please give me the message. What is the message for this reading? Seven of Cups. The Lovers. Time to make a decision. Be clear. Okay. There is Queen of Cup. Ace of Swords. King of Pentacle and Two of Pentacles. So there is Four of Wands, the Star. Wow. Okay. So basically there is a confusion here with a lot of options. Maybe either divine masculine is having a lot of options to choose, or the divine feminine is having a lot of options to choose. But someone is here who is in a confusion state with the 7 of cups. But you have to choose here. Okay, there is someone who, and there is someone who is still in this 5 of cups and 5 of swords, and there are a lot of conflicts, drama, fighting because of this energy. But you have to see the picture from a different perspective. There is always a better way. Pause for reflection. Okay, dare to be different here. There is a perception. You have to see the perception from a higher perspective here. There is someone who is trying to give you this King of Pentacle. It fell out. Okay, I'll take it later on. The King of Pentacle and the Queen of Cups, and there is Ace of Swords here. So there is a clarity which is coming for you. If you are having any kind of confusion, so the clarity is coming towards you here. Maybe this person is someone who is very successful, stable, accomplished, powerful, but they know how to manage their finances, because King of Pentacle is someone who is financially stable. So they are going to give you the clarity, the truth which you want here. You will move in a forward direction. The Chariot, the 6 of cups, the solutions, okay, they all are coming towards you here. Whoever is watching this video, the solutions are coming. You will move in a forward direction. This is someone from your past. 6 of cups is someone with whom you have spent many past life together. Okay, they are the rekindled relationships with whom you already know this persons. Okay, not from only this lifetime, but from many past lives together here. They are your lovers. Okay, they are your twin flame here. Can you see where is 4 of wands here? This is the 1111 card. 4 of wands, twin flames, the lovers is here. You're completing a cycle here with this person. Maybe right now you are unable to take a decision with the 2 of pentacles. There is no balance, but you are trying so hard to bring a balance in a situation, but the balance will be there. Okay, the balance will restored. Ace of cups, Ace of wands, and Ace of swords. 3 aces in this reading. That's beautiful. They ignite the passion in you, or you ignite the passion in them. You are the wish fulfillment for them with the 9 of cups, and they see you as someone who bring the peace with them. You bring the healing energy, the new hopes, new desires. You are the wish fulfillment for them. Okay, so new beginnings are coming for you here for this reading. I can say that new beginnings are coming. There is success, recognition. Again, I'm going to say that 6 of wands is someone you will get the victory in getting the new beginnings, and that's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. So that's what I'm having for you, and I hope I help you out in some manner. Let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, healing, light, and happiness to all of you whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself, and if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. See you soon.